welcome to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe for more videos. And sharing is caring. My socials will be in the description to follow me on IG. In this video, I'm doing a retwist on 13 Years of Loc'd. I start by finding something to watch on TV. It takes about an hour to retwist and up to an hour to style. Next, I remove the towel from my freshly washed hair and oil my scalp. The products I've been using are natural and homemade by yours truly, so make sure you subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I launch. I hopped up right quick to go get the clips, and now it's time to retwist. I've been maintaining my locks since day 2. I went to an African braidery once to have them started and have been maintaining them myself ever since. Do you maintain your locks yourself or go to someone else? Let me know in the comments. Sometimes I look at my locks and I'm like, wow, it's been 13 years. I remember when I started and they were like the size of a pinky and I couldn't wait for them to be this long. And now they're here. Where are you now, and what are some of your lock goals? Do you want them to be thick? Do you want them to be long? I'm a certified loctician. If you have any questions or concerns about locks, drop them below, or you can click the link in the description to DM me or reach out to me on socials, and I'll be happy to address them. The shoulder shrugs, the sighs of relief, all that. That's how it be. But we make it though. I wanted to style my locks, but at this point, I wanted my bed more. Tap the eye to see some of my favorites. Let me know in the comments your favorite go-tos for style inspiration. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.